Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I want to show you an exceptional trading strategy that's given me a 19 out of 20 win rate trading the US 30. This isn't financial advice, but if you get what I'm about to show you in this video, this could completely change your life. Very simple strategy, no higher time frame reference, no technical analysis, nothing. What we have here is our trend channel indicator. We have these alerts that you can set up and have available in the alerts log over here. I've deleted my alerts, I'm about to recreate some. It's a simple matter of when the alert fires, you come in and take the trade. Let's just go back and have a look at these and consider the amount of pips. There's one losing trade, I think. What we'll do is we'll go back and I've marked these out so it's just quick and easy. Each one of these is a winner. And I mean, you can see how many pips they're involved here. Come back to that one in a minute. Okay, some of them are better than others, the outcome, I mean. But if you manage this well, this could seriously change your life. Each one of these, going off these signals here, this breakout alert, that one. Well, anyway, as we go back, there's 20 trades and there's only one losing trade and this is it. Here's the thing though, with however many thousands of pips gained out of these 20 trades, compare the pips lost. So this is our losing trade. We had a breakout. Let's count the pips lost here. What we're looking for after this fires is the pullback to retest after the signal. All right, we're going to short this. So we short it. Stop loss goes above. I'll show you this in a minute. I just want to count the pips lost here. We can measure that. Short position. So this is the trade down through here. Stop loss above the cloud and with a little bit of room to breathe. Get the measuring tool and we're going to measure from the stop loss down to entry. Okay, we've lost 100 pips. Consider, I mean, there must be 5,000 pips gained here. I didn't count them up. I mean, there's 1,700 there anyway. There's an enormous amount of profit involved here with one losing trade. So here is the strategy. If you write down a set of rules for this and you trade exactly the strategy, you stick to the rules, this is the outcome. So let's just pick any, we'll pick this one. So, and some of these trades obviously are going to make less than others, but the idea is you let them run for as long as possible. Okay, so this one, entry, you let it run. An exit can be where you see a double top or a lower high forming. It's as easy as that. We've got these lines telling us when the market's possibly going to turn. Got these dots, right? So you just keep an eye on it. If you're trading above the cloud, hang in there, and then we trade into the cloud, that could be your exit. Anyway, how to trade this? What happens is this signal fires and it shows up in the alerts log and it can flash in front of you and make a sound and do all sorts of whatever you need it to do. We just set this alert up on the trend channel, click the three dots, add the alert, click that. Okay, it's the cloud break number 2, not cloud break 1. You want cloud break 2, once per bar. I like the handbill, it's easy on the ears and whatever selection you want, and create. I won't do it because I'm about to do something else. When the signal fires, it comes straight into the chart. There's your signal. And you're waiting for, have a look left, wherever the signal is, have a look left, find the high, pull a line across like so. And you can set up a buy order, a buy limit order if you want to. And you can layer them in down if you'd like to. I mean, however you want to do that. So there's 2 points of entry there, if that was where you placed your order. And the idea is to take 2/3 of your position off at your first target. So if this is entry, I'll show you this tool. I'll open up the settings and you can check it out. This is the trend-based fib extension. So look, what I do with this, I set my stop loss under the cloud. Wherever I'm entering the trade, the stop loss goes under the cloud. You can see the cloud here, these dots. There's a cloud under. I'll go under the cloud plus a little bit. And sometimes your stop loss is a lot tighter than others. But that's what I'll do. And always take 2/3 of your position off here. You can see this is your stop loss. This is 1-to-1. And what I've done is I've marked up 50% of that. So I always take 2/3 of my position off at 50% of my stop loss right here. Let me show you the trend-based fib extension settings. It's this tool here, trend-based. I've just started and placed it in my favorites bar. And here are the settings. You can copy this. You can pause the video and take a snapshot. Righto. These are my values. Very simple. And whatever's down here. That's it. Again, we've got a short breakout signal. We're looking for look left, and wherever you see the market pull back and start to rotate, that's your entry. Using the trend-based fib extension now to work out your first target, well, I mean, it's just a simple matter of dividing your stop loss in two by half. But stop loss above the cloud, there's the dots. Above the dots, I should say, with a little bit of room. Grab the trend-based fib extension and go from your entry point, click, pull it down in the direction of the trend, click, take it back to your entry point and click. And then grab this and you can pull it up and down, and there's target 1. Always take your 2/3 of your position off here and leave the rest to run. That's it. It's a simple strategy. That's all there is to it. Your breakout signal fires. Grab this rectangle thing. Okay, there's the signal. Look left. What have we got? We've got this range, the high. Right, we're looking for a buy. Pull it through. Comes back into the level you buy and your target. Okay, click. Go in the direction of your trend. Click again. Come back down to your level. And then grab this one. Pull it down. And there's your TP1. And if TP1 is reached, you take 2/3 of your position off there, trail the rest. Keep an eye out for the dot and these divergence lines. And as soon as you see a lower high, lower low kind of setup, well, kind of happened back here. You know, break of structure here. Well, that could have been your exit if you wanted to, or you can just simply wait till it trades into the cloud. In fact, actually, I've got something else to show you. Let me just bring on these signals here. We've got these other. Click, off, on, off, on. Okay, see that? Right. If it's a green, if it's a buy, that's your exit signal right there, that triangle. The next red triangle. It's pretty simple, guys. Really simple. All right, we're looking for, here's a sell signal up. I don't want to call it a sell signal. It's a breakout signal. And we'll have a look at this other one next to it. But seriously, the pips gained is the key. You want to go for the higher risk-reward ratio and let that third of your position run. Just let it go. And that will well and truly cancel out any stops that get hit. Breakout signal, look left, wherever the signal is here. There's a low here, range. That's your entry point. Entry, click. Always take 2/3 off. Just stick to the rules at TP1 and let the rest trail. We'll get in close here, and this is why I like to take 2/3 off. Right, we've got this one. Breakout was here. The pullback came down into here. Okay, so entry, look left. There's some highs. Entry here. TP1 right there, and it wicked up through. 2/3 of your position off, and then what you do is you pull your stop loss up to better than break even, so that you're in the money regardless. And it'll vary depending, I mean, it depends on these dots and how far you pull your stop loss in and what have you. But as long as you pull your stop loss into better than break even, you're going to be well and truly in front. Don't get these triangles confused. Let's take these out. So what I'll do here, I'll just write down this set of rules so you can take a snapshot. This is it, guys. It's as simple as that. Take a screenshot if you like. Cloud break alert fires. Wherever the alert is, it's a short. Mark the previous high, low, whatever, the range. It's a breakout. It breaks out and it comes back to retest the previous range. Wherever the alert is, you can do this if you like. Just pick up the range, but it's a bearish breakout. Pull back, retest to the low of the range here. So there's your short position on the pullback. Stop loss slightly above the dots cloud. See these red dots? Go for broke with the risk reward. Pick up the trend base fib extension. Click on the entry. Pull it towards the direction of the trade. Click. Come back to your entry. Go across. Click. Set target 1 to take 2/3 of your position off here. And there it was, right there. 2/3 of your position comes off. Pull your stop loss down once you've taken your money, wherever you want to set that up. Set it up so that it's a winning trade, so that you're going to make a little bit out of it. The more the merrier. And leave a third of your position in to run. That's it. It's as simple as that. Everywhere you see this signal. Guys, by the way, join Discord if you haven't already. We've got a Discord group. It's free. There's a link below. I'll show you that quickly. All this stuff down here under the Trader Zone below is free. It's tutorials, trade ideas. I post trade ideas in there usually every day. Daily risk sentiment, etc., etc. Our YouTube channel link is in here. All sorts of stuff, tutorials. You're more than welcome to have access to all of this stuff. Take it one step further. We have the VIP Trader Zone. You can gain access to the indicators. You get my live trades I take on my MT5 account. We've got advanced trading techniques and strategies, tutorials, all through here, all our videos. So there's a full educational thing going on here. Gain access today, guys. Go up here, join VIP, click that, come down. Here's the link down here to my website. Seriously, this is the option. I'm happy to share my success with you. I don't want to give it away for nothing. Shout me a cup of coffee and a cake every month, and you've got full access to the indicators, our tutorials, everything. Try it for 1 month. Okay, you can do that, but this is the 6 monthly option. Going back 20 trades here, we've got 19 winning trades. You can have access to this. The other thing is we take it one step further. We've got an advanced strategy. When you include some technical analysis and higher time frame confluence and trading the session times, etc., takes this to a whole new level. In any case, jump on board, guys. Gain access to the indicators ASAP. I mean, look at these. Why would you not want that? 19 out of 20 winning trades going back on the US 30 on the 5-minute time frame. One losing trade here, 100 pips, and look at the winners. With that, guys, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I look forward to hearing from you.